Hi, Picture classmate. Today I'm gonna tell you what is force and motion. Force is basically a push or pull which act on an object or energy as an attribute of physical or movement. Motion. Whenever a body is moving, we state that it's in motion. Experiment number 1. A cup of water, an egg, a cardboard, and a cup around it. Experiment number 2. Wait. Number 3. A rope, straw, a tape, and a balloon. A balloon.